Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Lisa and today I am going to share with you my February paycheck #1 budget, and this is going to be from February the 3rd through the 16th. I am using this Clever Fox dotted journal. It is just, blank dotted pages, which I really love. And I went ahead and wrote down all of my categories to save a little bit of time. We've got rambunctious kittens in the background playing. I'm sure you can hear the birdie toy. I'm under the weather. I don't know what's going on. I think I've got a cold. And so I don't have a lot of energy this morning, but today is the 3rd and it is like almost 5 a.m. So it's almost time for me to have a video live, and I didn't get a chance to do this last night because quite honestly, after I went to work yesterday, I went to bed right after I got off work. So I just didn't take the time to do this, but I love payday. I really do get very excited on payday, but energy's kind of like low today. All right. Well, as usual, I'm going to share my balances. Now, this is as of the 2nd, but really it's as of today. I didn't check it yesterday. So currently, my checking account has a balance of $2,202.65. And that is a combination of $1,500 for my regular income and then $702.65 from YouTube. And so that's the combination of that. I did my taxes a couple days ago. I found a spreadsheet that I had downloaded from Amazon, the Amazon report, and I was able to write off a bunch of expenses. So thank you to Patricia and others who encouraged me to sit down and do that, because before doing that, it looked like I was going to be owing about $1,400, and now I'll get back $170 something, which is about the cost of the TurboTax fee. So it's breaking even, but you know what? I'm okay with that. My emergency fund savings has $10,000 in it. My Roth IRA as of today, which does include the contribution from this paycheck, when I do my budget, I put that it's $1,500 and I make a line item for my Roth IRA, but my employer splits up my paycheck for me, and the amount for the Roth IRA comes out. I don't even see it. It goes directly into my Charles Schwab account. So this total includes the $250 that I contributed, which I think this does too. I don't know. This is probably going to be a very confusing video, and I'm very sorry about that. $9,228.35. And then for the house savings challenge that I'm doing, which is basically every penny that I have left over is going towards house savings, I have $854 in there right now, which is awesome. And then for taxes, now my YouTube paycheck was right at, it was a little over $1,500. I put a third back for taxes, and I just created a bucket in my Ally account, and I put $500 in that savings bucket. So this is the current status of my accounts right now, which I feel like I'm looking really good. I've definitely made a lot of progress with the Roth IRA, and I'm just really thankful that I haven't had to break into my emergency fund savings. With Chewy and this surgery that he might need to have, Carol Ann and I decided we were going to try him on a grain-free diet and raw food. So we're feeding him Fresh Pet right now, and we're going to see how that does. The vet gave us some antibiotics. We're trying that as well. And so I'm hoping that whatever's going on, I'm hoping between those few things that he won't have to have surgery. But if he does, it'll have to come out of emergency fund savings. Okay. Let's talk about the budget. So my income is $1,500. This is after all the taxes and my 401k contribution. My Roth IRA contribution is $250. So I am maxing out my Roth IRA. This year in 2023, you can contribute, I think, $6,500 if you're under age 50, I believe, and that equals out to 26 payments of $250 for me because I'm paid every other Friday. And then for fixed expenses, first is my rent. Half of my rent is going to be $310, which I'll cash out my daughter this morning. For electric, I'm going to expect the worst, and I'm going to set aside $150. So I set aside $150 last check. I'm setting aside $150 this check, and I'm just praying that it's not over $300. Then we have Netflix. Oh, dang. I just realized I did not have Netflix on my scratch paper over there. I'm going to have to add this up. So Netflix is $16.55. And then donations is going to get $20. All right, let me think about that. So from the 3rd through the 16th, I've got 2 bills due. Netflix and the electric bill. Okay, so that is right. Okay, good. I'm gonna have to use the iPad to total all this up. So first cash expense that I have is Walmart, and I'm budgeting $200. Now, this is going to include cat food, dog food, human food, toiletries, anything that you could possibly buy at Walmart. This is that envelope. I don't really break anything up because I don't always have cat food or dog food as an expense, and I just don't see the need to split it. So it's all in one. It's just a Walmart bucket, and that's how I chose to do it. For my daughter Carol Ann, she's going to get $160, so that's $80 a week for spending and gas. And then for my spending, I'm going to give myself $130. So I have some prescriptions that I have to have filled. Usually it's on the 17th of every month. Carol Ann has, I think, 1 or 2 prescriptions, and the total is right at $30. And I had just been taking it out of my Walmart budget, but I think I'm going to lump that into spending because I know I'm going to have to spend it these next 2 weeks. Gas for my car is going to get $20 a week, which is going to give me $40. And then for lawn care, the guy didn't come the last 2 weeks, and I'm not going to put anything else in that envelope because right now I think I already have like a month's worth of money in there for him. So this is going to get $0. For sinking funds, I have 4 funds right now: fur babies, gifts, car insurance, and car maintenance. They each get $20 a week, so that's going to get $40 $240 each for these guys. Okay, and then sinking funds, that's a total of $160. Okay, $310 plus $150 plus $16.55 plus 20 is $496.55. And then for cash expenses, $200, $160, $130, and $40 is $530. Okay. Oh shoot, I forgot to add. This is plus 702.65, which is 1,500 plus 702.65 is the 202.65. 202.65. Okay, so that did not include the Roth IRA. Okay, so taking that income, subtracting $250 for the Roth IRA, subtracting $496.55. Hey guys, quit. I'm gonna have to get a water bottle and spray these cats. Knock it off, y'all. Jeez Louise, y'all. Okay, minus 530, minus 160 is 766.10 is how much I'm going to be able to put towards house savings, which is really exciting because that is going to give me $1,620 total in house savings when I add the $854 and the $766. So my goal was to at least get 3% down on a $100,000 property, and so that would be 3% is 3,000, and so I'll be more than halfway there, which is really exciting. I know I'll get way past that amount, but I didn't want to give myself huge goals and then be disappointed if something happened and I couldn't reach them. So that is everything from me. I am going to do a check-in at, when will my next check-in be? It'll probably be Monday, because I'll do cash envelope stuffing this weekend, sinking fund stuffing, a grocery haul, probably meal prepping and meal planning, and then videos that you should see this week will be a check-in for the no spend. I think I might do that weekly, just to, while it's fresh in my mind, what days I had no spend. Hey guys, stop it. Jeez Louise. What days I had no spends, and any challenges that I might have had. I think it'd be good to do it while it's fresh in my mind instead of doing it once a month. And then we'll do the end of the week check-in. I'll do a transaction log. I haven't done it yet. I need to do the February monthly calendar in my dotted journal, and then I need to do the transaction log. So I'll get those things done, and those will be things I'll share with you as well. So lots of videos coming this week. So I hope you will subscribe if you haven't already done so. And if you like this kind of content, if you can give it a thumbs up, it helps my channel out. When you guys are engaged either in the comments or by liking the video, it helps my videos to reach more people and a wider audience. So I do appreciate that very much. All right, guys, that's everything for me. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel, and I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you're at. Bye.